Hi everyone, so I am back with another couple of projects. As you can see here, I've got a few bits and pieces, and I've also got another set here which I am going to be listing these over on my coffee shop, and there will be a sale price. I will put the link that you have to use to get the sale price below in the description box. Right, so using the French blue kits again from TaylorMade Journals. I'm just in love with this paper at the moment, but I am moving on. I'm going to go on to another kit. Well, actually I've started it, but anyway, I wanted to finish these off. Right, so we've got ephemera pockets here. We've got, this is just a blank notebook, journal, whatever you want to call it. I've often decorated like a blank journal, you know, just coffee dyed papers or just plain papers, and then decorated them with other papers to put pockets and stenciling and stamping. So, you know, or you could just use this as a notebook. So there is that. That measures 8 by 4 1/8 of an inch, and I think there's 8 pages, so that's 32 sides to play around with. That's the paper that I've used. I have used 3 layers here for the topper, and obviously got all the papers inside, and I've done some stitching. That's some craft cardstock in the back there. This I saw from Treasure Books, and it's little pen holders, and I've actually ordered some pens, but I popped to the shop last night, and B&M's here in the UK. Anyway, I bought loads of these pens, and so there's a lot of noise going on in my house, and I actually decorated inside there with the paper as well, and that just pops in there like so, and I put the word remember, so that goes in there. And then here, this is an altered envelope, and we've got tags here, and we've got a tag there as well, and here we've got another tag. So there's quite a few tags in there, and then a piece of French ephemera, and this is from Artie Mays, so that goes in there, and I've decorated that with a double heart there, and the pocket just looks nice as it is with that beautiful paper, so that goes in there. So the other one, I haven't finished showing you this lot yet, and I'm talking about the other one. The other one's very similar. Where does that go? I'm trying to think. Did that go in there? Don't really matter, does it? Yeah, so that goes in there. And then these two go in there. So that's that. Then we have this one, which is, it's just a triple pocket. Actually, 1, 2, 3, 4. No, 4, holds 4. So we've got a tag in there. We've got this letter ephemera there, that's from Artie Mays. My cat is very, very vocal. I think she's trying to talk to somebody. And she's actually getting on my nerves. She's been like it all morning, just meowing, meowing, meowing. But when she comes into my room, she goes straight to my drawer where her treats are. And I'm like, no, you're not having any more. So there's that one. And oh, where's the other one? There it is. Then there's this. So that's a little pocket as well, with another little notebook in there, a little scrappy notebook. And that could be popped into a page, or you can just use it as a holder. Another tag there, and another tag there, butterfly cluster here. So that's that set. And then this one, let me just put that all to one side, and that one has got, it's the same amount of pages. We've got, obviously it's just various different images, but these are more or less the same, I think. That, yeah, that and that. So yeah, they're more or less the same, just the images are slightly different. Let me pop that in. I thought I'll just show you. So there'll be 2 of these available. I was going to do 3, but I've run out of time, and I have got a lot going on the next 2 days. So I shan't, well, I'll be in here, but I won't be in here for long. It's got a busy Friday and a busy Saturday. Might get in here Saturday evening. I think that says Believe. Then here we've got another, like I said, they are very similar. And then this little booklet, scrappy booklet. Oops, that goes in there. Out of there. And then our little pen holder. They're so cute. I don't know, I think I mentioned when I showed you how to do the tear ruler yesterday, how to make your own tear ruler. I'd watched loads of Treasure Books videos, and they kind of just played one after the other when I was laying in bed the other morning. I think I was laying there for about an hour and a half. I hadn't even got up. I just got hooked onto watching videos. And yeah, I saw that. I saw this and other videos as well. So yeah, sorry about the cat, she's driving me nuts. So that is that one. So like I said, the link will be below to get the discount, and the discount will be like I doing them for like 24 hours, the discount, and then just putting things onto their normal prices. So if you have any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye for now.